Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to transform into the iconic Billie. Of your nose and under it. Now apply a highlighter to the tip and nose bridge to complete the illusion, and once you're done, lightly contour the sides of your nose as well. Lastly, this step is totally optional, but to look more like her, I am contouring my nostrils with a brown liner to complete the button nose effect. Moving on to the lips, if you really want that pout, apply cotton to your top and bottom lip. Then take a pinkish nude lip pencil and line your lips with a pointed cupid's bow. Then fill it in lightly and then go back in with a heavier hand to the outer corners for a natural ombre look.